Hey, this is Joey here at Best Trailers. Here today, I'm going to show you one of our 2-car hauler enclosed trailers. This is a very popular model for us. This is a 36 foot, 8.5 by 36. Now, 36 foot is measured from the corner back, so that is box space. The V-nose is extra additional room. Put your little storage up there. Now, this has got a 7.5 foot interior, so you got plenty of extra height on here. You've got triple 7,000 pound axles. We can do it triple 7s or triple 52s, typically with the extra height. Everybody goes with the 777s. We can downrate it to keep you below CDL if you want to do that. Now you've got the ramp door on the back as well as the aluminum sidewall vents. You can see one of them on the back there. Semi-screw is the exterior, which is what I try to do on all my exteriors. You've got a 36-inch walk-through door here with a step, bar lock on the side. Now for your car haulers, we've got your D-rings in the floor, but we've also added E-track going down our floors. Full length 36 foot all the way down, or 8.5 wide. It'd be 82 inches between the fenders. Again, plenty of interior height, 7.5 foot interior, 2 escape doors so that you can haul 2 cars, get in and out your doors easily. We've also got a 12-volt dome light in here, give you a little bit of extra light at night. The wall panels be 3/8 plywood walls, so you got 3/4 plywood on the floor. 16-inch on center on the walls and floor, as well as 16 on center on the roof. Now this has got the rubber roof on the top, so you've got your 3/8 plywood there on the top and the rubber over top of it, just like the same rubber they use on RVs and campers. Now come see us today. We've got a number of different sizes, a number of different finance plans. Our number is 478-654-5350. Come see us today.